Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Ayy, backing it up. Throw that shit over here, girl, that's what it's for. What you say? You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a bitch mad, don't you? Make your ex wanna get it back, that's a fact. Say it louder for the bitches in the back, ayy.
I know how to go and get a bag, don't I? I know how to get a bitch mad, don't I? Cierra Gifted Hands here. If you've seen my prior videos, check it out. Goddess locks, quick and easy goddess locks. I'm going to get ready to change my hairstyle again. You guys know how I go, how I do. Check us out, ccsbeautybar.com. But I'm gonna cover my hair and put on another beautiful unit. I'm gonna be wearing her. She is a closure unit, Godessheirwear. You can purchase online or in the store at CC's Beauty Bar. We sell Godessheirwear products, wigs, hair, lashes, and more. Switch it up. So get ready with me.
Right, I think this is about decent. And today I'm doing a natural face. I'm not doing all that foundation. I'm just doing getting rid of dark circles. Most people use a color corrector, all that stuff. Tomato, tomato, same difference. You can use it if you like. I just want to go for like just a natural. I'm just blending with my sponge.
Okay, so this part, now we're ready to put the wig on. We're gonna pin these back. All you need is this. You're gonna cut this off to blend. You don't want a straight line, so you're just gonna do that and let the rest of the work. So we're gonna take this. You see that? Okay. And we're just gonna cut the side. Okay. You can leave as much lace on your lace as you want, but I'm going to take a little bit more off. And again, like I told you, I don't want a straight line. I might just leave it on because it looks natural. I might just leave it on and we'll go from there. Let's see. Okay, you guys, someone wanted to get in my video, but I don't know where she went. But okay, so I've been driving most of my subscribers crazy with my black cap. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and use this one. And that's what I'm going to do. It looks more scalpy. You guys tell me thumbs up. Say black cap, natural cap. Let me know. Okay, in the back, it's my best friend. I don't know where she went. So we're going to do that. Yes, honey. So we're going to do that. Give me a second. And I'm going to, you know, you watching us enough videos to know that I'm going to Go2be this here.
I will be putting on my closure wig by Godessheirwear with Go2be. So I'm going to do that, let that dry, so this little bad baby can stay in place. So this is what you do at home. Before doing that, of course, I put the Go2be liquid on first. Yes, I still have my braids from my goddess locks. It's fine, just for the sake of this tutorial. Okay. Blow dry, blow dry, blow dry.
And then we're going to go ahead and put on the wig. Peace.
Then you begin to cut the cap off. And it's going to stop. So how I did it right here, I'm going to cut up. I don't want it stuck across my whole front, so just enough to have coverage for the frontal. Okay? And we don't need any straight lines. Okay? Anything loose or stuck, you guys go ahead and cut. Drop any questions below. Let me know. Just, mind you, it is just a closure, so I don't need the sides. I just lift it up, boom, it's fine. Then I'm going to get my palette and my makeup brush, and I'm going to begin to do this. But once I get this cap down. You guys, once that is done and it is on, you can then put your unit on. Okay. And so I'm going to spray my spray. That was one layer. All dry. Do another layer. And you begin to just place it where you like, where it's tacky. Okay. That is your spray. You take a heat protecting comb and you begin to put heat.
Well, I'm done, beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave comments and questions if you have any below. Follow and subscribe Cierra Gifted Hands. For booking with me, you can go to ccesbeautybar.com. That's CECES at beautybar.com. Enjoy the upcoming videos.